Today we're going to talk about changing your seat openers on your planter. This is a new opener. The diameter of the new opener is 15 inches. And you want to change your openers when the beveled edge is worn off or they are 14.5 inches or less. These are the two different kinds of scrapers that John Deere offers. You have a rotary scraper and a rigid scraper. To change your disc openers, your first step is to remove your gauge wheel and arm. Then you will remove your scraper from your seed disc. Remove the dust cap. And the nut. The left-hand disc has a left-hand thread and the right-hand disc has a right-hand thread. Behind the disc you have shims. You use these shims to get the correct contact between your blades. Make sure your shims stay. You can install the new openers and just use the old set of shims and go from there. You may have to add or remove some from either side. Does not matter if you have the same number of shims on either side, and you can adjust your contact area from just one side if you want. Nut torques to 90 foot-pounds. You put your cards in. Measure your contact area, and it is less than 2.5 inches, so that is acceptable. Then you would reinstall your scrapers. Your dust caps. And your gauge wheel and arm. Your gauge wheel bolt torques to 200 foot-pounds, and you want to adjust it so that you have light contact and you can still turn your tire. It's adjusted by loosening this bolt and turning your bushing either clockwise or counterclockwise.